Hello friends, today's topic short sound of I. Let's start. B-I-G big, D-I-G dig, F-I-G fig, J-I-G jig, P-I-G pig, W-I-G wig, R-I-G rig, B-I-N bean, G-I-N gin, D-I-N dean, F-I-N fin, C-H-I-N chin, W-I-N win, P-I-N pin, T-I-N teen, B-I-T bit, F-I-T fit, H-I-T hit, K-I-T kit, P-I-T pit, S-I-T sit, W-I-T wit, D-I-M dim, H-I-M him, F-I-X fix, M-I-X mix, S-I-X six, P-I-P pip, T-I-P tip, Z-I-P zip, H-I-P hip, L-I-P lip, R-I-P rip, D-I-P dip, B-I-B bib, F-I-B fib, N-I-B nib, R-I-B rib, D-I-D did, H-I-D hid, K-I-D kid, L-I-D lid, B-I-D bid, C-H-I-L-L chill, H-I-L-L heel, B-I-L-L bill, W-I-L-L will, K-I-C-K kick, S-I-C-K sick, L-I-C-K lick, T-I-C-K tick, P-I-C-K pick, K-I-N-G king, R-I-N-G ring, W-I-N-G wing, S-I-N-G sing. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.